First of all, this is health and wellness mela in which you are going to get this free health checkup worth 10,000 rupees. I think it's a big thing. And then a lot of people who are associated with this medical thing and this health activities, they have come here and they have put up their stalls and they are basically exhibiting their expertise and their things, their product. So it's a very good thing. At the same time, my wife has just started an NGO called Astha, from which she is planning to help senior citizens. It's a very noble cause and so must appreciate this.
This NGO is actually
Geeta Nirupam is a very close friend now after Big Boss and everything. And one day she actually spoke about it and she's like how my father passed away and I really want to help senior citizens, and though we have our grandparents and all that, so हमने ये सोचा कि it's a very good cause and जहाँ तक we can help people with this through informing all the youngsters around us who has to take care of their grandparents and parents. So this is for them, for awareness. We can do is an awareness right now for people to understand कि उनको भी अपने माँ बाप का ख्याल रखना है जैसे उन्होंने हमको बड़ा किया है. So awareness will be the first thing to take place.
The fact ये नहीं है मैं यहाँ कैसे पहुँची हूँ, मैं यहाँ क्यों आई हूँ, वो ज़्यादा important है because this is NGO called Astha. This NGO helps people who don't have financial support as well as family support. Senior citizens जिनके परिवार उनको छोड़ देते हैं or they're disabled or anything, this particular NGO helps them. They have a particular volunteer. जो भी सीनियर सिटीज़न होता है जो इनरोल करता है आस्था में, उन्हें एक वॉल्टियर मिल जाता है और वो वॉल्टियर थ्रू आउट उनके साथ रहता है जब उन्हें चाहिए होता है. इवन इफ दे हैव टू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल, द वॉल्टियर विल बी देयर विद देम.
Can't commit at this point of time, but I don't know what kind of expenses are required over there. So it's a basically social activity. In social activity, a lot of people must join in one movement. Then only any activity can be successful. It is not only about me. I will certainly help. I will certainly invest my energy, my money, everything I will help invest in that. But at the same time, a lot of people must come and join in the movement.
it's basically a cycle which goes around, comes around. So you take care of your parents and then you get older and your kids would take care of
So
you.
I think
it's
this
kind of a cycle.
NGO will take care of us one day once we get old.
Yeah.
I'm very fortunate to come in Astha because I itself know how difficult it is for senior citizens to get medication at that particular tender age where they don't have any support. Because I had my grandparents, or rather grandparent, who I lost last Diwali, and it was a great loss for me. And the fact this NGOs come up and I've got the chance to help these senior citizens, तो मैं कह सकती हूँ मैं दिलो जान से मेहनत करूँगी because I know how difficult it is to live without a elderly age person in the house who keeps on giving you those tips, बेटा ऐसे मत करो वैसे मत करो. So I would actually give my best to this NGO.
Today is just the whole thing has been inaugurated. So later on we can rope in a lot of people in a lot of film stars, a lot of glamorous people, a lot of big people in the whole thing.
The fact मैं एक एक्ट्रेस हूँ इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे NGO में भी आई हूँ क्योंकि मैं एक अवेयरनेस लेके आ सकती हूँ. मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं एंड हु आर माई एज, द टीनेजर्स, दैट हाँ आपको भले अच्छा ना लगे कि आप इधर आए एंड देन यू कम एंड विद द सीनियर सिटीजन्स, पर हाँ आप शुरुआत अपने घर से कर सकते हैं, अपना नाना नानी दादा दादी को मदद कर सकते हैं. और जब वहाँ पे आप इनिशिएटिव लेंगे तब आपको मालूम पड़ेगा यहाँ पर आके इनको मदद करना कितना अच्छा लगता है. एंड thoroughly I'm going to say this, I'm saying this because it's from my own experience. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I'm in Astha and this NGO.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.